Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence, which His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the first President Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of the Philippines to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Lalabalavu. Your Excellency, thank you, ADC. I am pleased to receive your credentials. Your Excellency, I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and a very successful mission. Please convey His Excellency the President of the Republic of the Philippines that the government and the people of the Philippines are warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity.